Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about your second chapter of class 9, that is matter around us pure? Okay? Dear students, these substances that are present around us are pure or impure. How you can classify it? I want to tell you for your kind information that substances are following two types. They may be pure or impure. Okay? So, see here, substances are classified into following two categories. Number one, pure substances and impure substances. Okay? Pure substances are also categorized in following two categories. Number one, compounds. Number two, elements. Okay? Elements are further divided into following three categories. Number one, metal. Number two, non-metals. Number third, metalloids. While impure substances, which are also called as mixture, are further classified into following two categories. Number one, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a single type, that is solution, and heterogeneous is following two types, that is colloids and suspension. So now we study about one by one. Substances. Anything that cannot be broken down into their particles by physical methods called as substance. Okay? Number one, pure substance. Those substances which are constituted by only one type of the particles or molecules and cannot be broken down by physical methods called as pure substance. It is following two types, compound and elements. Compounds are those pure substances which are constituted by in a fixed proportion called as compounds. For example, water. This is a water. It is a compound because water molecule is constituted by hydrogen element and oxygen element by 1:8 proportion. ओके? हाइड्रोजन एक कंपाउंड है क्योंकि यह हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट और ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट से 1:8 के अनुपात में मिलकर बना हुआ है. ओके? नेक्स्ट इज एलिमेंट. एलिमेंट्स आर दोज pure substances which are constituted by same kind of the particles and cannot be further divided into simpler form by physical method called as elements. It is following three types: metal, non-metal, metalloids. Metals are those elements that have the property of luster, sonorous, malleable, have high melting and boiling point, present in solid state except mercury. Okay? For example, iron, copper, silver, gold, aluminum, etc. These are the metals. Okay? Next is non-metals. Non-metals are present in all three states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay? Sulfur is non-metal that is present in solid state. Bromine is a non-metal that is present in liquid state, and chlorine, oxygen are also non-metals that are present in gaseous state. Okay? These are not malleable. They have no property of sonorous, means they do not produce ringing sound. Their boiling and melting point is low comparatively. Metals, these are not good conductor of electricity except carbon, I mean, and next is metalloids. Metalloids are those elements that contains property of metal and non-metals called as metalloid. For example, arsenic, antimony, germanium, सिलिकॉन, दी आर द मेटलॉइड्स. ये बेटा ये हिंदी में उपधातु कहलाते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज impure substance. These substances that are considered by two or more and the substances and can be separated out by physical methods called as impure substance or mixture. These are following two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay. Homogeneous mixture are those mixture who are impure substance that have uniform composition. Okay. For example, pure solutions means solution of salt and water, mixture of sugar and water, and another example is alloy. Alloys are also homogeneous mixture because they are considered by uniform composition, such as brass, solder, stainless steel. These are alloys that have uniform composition. Next is heterogeneous mixture. Those mixture that have non-uniform composition called as heterogeneous mixture and are following two types, colloids and suspension. Okay. Example is mixture of sand and water. Okay. And you can separated these mixtures by physical methods. So this is the classification of substance. That is the topic of your second chapter, that is matter around us pure. So dear students, I hope that all of you understood about substances and its classification. Thank you.